Do you like your new jacket and hat that Grandma made? Can you say thank you? Yeah, that's right. Thank you. Say thank you, Grandma. Say thank you, Grandma. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Can you say I love you? Thank you for my coat. See, we did have it buttoned. But... Say thank you. Love you. Mwah.
Bye.